And all new tonight, our focus team investigation, which aired here last week, looked at how widespread distracted driving is in the state of Kentucky and the harmful consequences which too often come with it. Today, the wheels were set in motion at the Kentucky Capitol, which could put the Commonwealth on the road towards a new hands-free law. However, as focus investigator John Charlton reports, one legislator's comments tried to pump the brakes on any new restrictions on cell phone use while driving.
These things are addictive. We must establish a culture of safety.
Distracted driving is an equal opportunity killer.
Phone down.
Does anybody remember life before we had these things?
Heads up.
We've seen firsthand that distraction is a growing and life-threatening problem.
And the life of Mark Sevilla of Lexington ended.
He said, "Hang on," then let out a blood-curdling scream.
On impact on January 29th, 2015, when a semi going north on 71 crossed over into traffic going south. His sister says the trucker had been texting and driving.
My brother died because that day that truck driver for 42 miles thought that what was on his device was more important than the lives of those around him.
Texting while driving is already illegal in Kentucky, but Representative James Tipton wants to take road safety a step further with Bill Request 828.
It does not eliminate you from talking on the phone or using the phone.
Which springboards off of his House Bill 255, filed 2 years ago, essentially making the Commonwealth hands-free.
It would not prevent you from using the maps on your phone. Now, hopefully, you're not going to input the address to your maps function while you're driving.
Tipton is proposing that the first violation is a warning, but at least one legislator, State Senator Johnny Turner,
and I, as a lawyer that do this regularly, turn my phone on and talk while I'm driving,
wants to pump the brakes.
If I've got a phone in my hand, an officer has a right to stop me and write me a ticket.
That is correct.
If I've got a Coke in my hands, he's got a right to do that?
No, sir.
If I've got a cheeseburger in my mouth, a French fry, anything, does he have a right to do that?
Turner wonders what's the difference.
Is holding a Coke and holding a hamburger as distracting as being on your phone, looking at it, talking on it, surfing the internet?
Well, I can be looking down at my coffee. I can be looking down at that Coke. I can be looking down and getting French fries.
That's just not the same thing, says the NTSB.
You don't talk to your hamburger, you don't talk to your Coke, and you don't listen to the Coke's answer coming back to you.
Mark Sevilla's sister hopes lawmakers and in turn drivers will pay attention.
It's not going to stop until it becomes socially unacceptable.
There are 8 other co-sponsors on the hands-free bill, and Representative Tipton says he plans to refile the bill in the first week of the upcoming session, which starts January 4th. In Frankfort, John Charlton, WHS 11, on your side.